In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog archive in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and then go to the page where you want to add the blog archive. In my case, I don't want it to be on the home page. Instead, I want it to be on the blog page. So to do that, and go to my blog page, all I need to do is head over to the left-hand side of the screen right here, and underneath page, right next to home, click on that, and then go to your blog page. You'll find it in one of these options right here. Once you've clicked on blog and it loads up, all you have to do is head over to the left hand side of the screen where you find this side menu right here, and then press on the very top button that says add elements. From here, go all the way down to blog, then click on archive, and archive will be right here. Simply drag it onto the screen and wait for it to load. This can take a couple of seconds. As you can see, mine has loaded up, and unfortunately I don't have any blog posts to show, but this is where the archive is going to be. And don't worry, it's not going to show you blog post if you don't want it to. You can manage the posts by clicking the manage post button that I just did right now, and that will load up all of your posts right here. Alternatively, you can also manage the settings, and that includes the kind of the main. You can customize how to display your blog posts. Here's a few other options: show results, show newest post first, enable or disable, layout, design, and then obviously there's some support right here if you have any other questions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a blog post archive in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.